Are you dreaming of a career in veterinary medicine? The Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture in Curtis is here to help you turn that dream into a reality. Introducing NCTA's online Veterinary Technician Associate degree, a flexible, accredited program designed for you and your busy life. Online coursework is done through NCTA, and you will gain 150 essential hands-on skills at a veterinary clinic near you. Over 50 years ago, NCTA's on-campus program was the first accredited at a 2-year college by the American Veterinary Medical Association. Now you can take advantage of this well-respected, top-tier education from the comfort of your own home. Upon graduation, you'll be ready for the Vet Tech National Exam to pursue your license in Nebraska and many other states. Even if you're out of state, you're in for our one-rate tuition of only $156 per credit hour. Ready to make a difference in the lives of animals? There's still time to enroll for the online or on-campus program or any of our other agriculture-related degrees for fall 2025. Apply today at ncta.unl.edu. NCTA, where your passion for animals becomes a rewarding career.